Okay, going to do a quick tutorial for launching and landing the drone. First we're going to plug the battery in. And we're going to wait for the lights to turn green. Okay, once lights turn green, we'll plug in the receiver. And then we're going to wait for the yellow jacket light to turn green, which is on the front of the drone. It's red right now. Okay. Just turned green. So now we're going to turn the transmitter on. Move the stick to mid-stick. Slide the drone out of the way. Okay, flick the switch to launch it. Okay, right, left, back, forward, yaw, back. Okay, now to land it, just flick the switch, and it lands.